Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Finding time to hit the gym can be challenging in today's fast-paced world. But what if I told you can achieve a complete workout right in your home without needing any equipment? Today, we're diving into the world of fitness fusion, explicitly focusing on combining yoga and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to help you stay active and maintain your fitness levels. Have you ever heard of the term fitness fusion? It's blending different workout styles to create a comprehensive and effective exercise routine. By combining the mindfulness and flexibility of yoga with the intensity and calorie-burning benefits of HIIT, you can experience a well-rounded workout that targets both your physical and mental well-being. One key advantage of working out at home is its convenience. With no need for expensive gym memberships or bulky equipment, you can easily squeeze in a workout session whenever it fits your schedule. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or prefer the privacy of your own space, home workouts provide a flexible and accessible option for staying active. Furthermore, you can enjoy many benefits by incorporating yoga and HIIT into your routine. From improved strength and endurance to enhanced flexibility and balance, this fusion workout targets multiple aspects of fitness to help you achieve your goals. Combining these two styles can keep your workouts engaging and challenging, preventing boredom and plateauing. So, to elevate your fitness game and prioritize your well-being, consider trying a yoga and HIIT fusion workout at home. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on how to make the most of this dynamic exercise routine. Setting up your space for a safe and effective exercise session before diving into your yoga and HIIT fusion workout at home is essential. Here are some critical tips to help you prepare your home environment for a successful workout. First and foremost, clear a space large enough to move freely and perform various exercises. Whether flowing through yoga poses or powering through HIIT intervals, having ample room to stretch, jump, and lunge is crucial for avoiding obstacles and maximizing your movements. Clearing clutter and creating an open area will enhance your workout experience and reduce the risk of injury. Next, ensure proper ventilation and lighting in your workout area. Good air circulation can help keep you cool and comfortable during your sweat-inducing session, while adequate lighting can prevent accidents and help you maintain proper form. Natural light is ideal, but if that's impossible, opt for bright, energy-efficient bulbs to illuminate your space effectively. Additionally, have a water bottle and towel nearby to stay hydrated and manage sweat. Staying hydrated is vital to your body's performance and recovery, especially during high-intensity workouts. Keep a filled water bottle within reach to sip on throughout your session, and use a towel to wipe away sweat and maintain a comfortable grip during exercises. By thoughtfully setting up your workout space, you can create a conducive environment that supports your fitness goals and enhances your overall workout experience. So, clear some space, let the light in, and gather your essentials. It's time to get moving and sweat it out in your home. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. To kick off your yoga and HIIT fusion workout at home, it's essential to begin with a series of yoga poses that will help warm up your body and prepare you for the intensity ahead. Here's how you can start your session with a rejuvenating yoga flow warm-up. Start by easing into your warm-up with gentle stretches like cat-cow and downward dog. These foundational yoga poses are perfect for awakening the spine, stretching the muscles, and promoting flexibility. Move through each pose mindfully, focusing on your breath and allowing your body to open up gradually. Pay close attention to your breathing as you flow through your warm-up sequence. Deep, intentional breaths can help oxygenate your muscles, increase circulation, and promote relaxation. Use your breath as a guide, syncing each movement with an inhale or exhale to create a harmonious connection between body and mind. Transition smoothly between poses creates a fluid warm-up sequence that flows seamlessly from one movement to the next. Avoid rushing through the poses and instead focus on moving with grace and control. This mindful approach enhances the effectiveness of your warm-up and sets a positive tone for the rest of your workout. By incorporating these yoga poses into your warm-up routine, you can gently awaken your body, improve your flexibility, and cultivate a sense of mindfulness before diving into the more dynamic HIIT portion of your workout. So, roll out your mat, find your center, and let the soothing flow of yoga prepare you for the energizing challenges ahead. Now that you've warmed up with a rejuvenating yoga flow, it's time to elevate your heart rate and torch calories with high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is a powerful workout method that alternates between bursts of intense exercise and short rest periods, making it an efficient way to boost your metabolism and improve cardiovascular fitness. Here's how you can create a HIIT circuit to take your workout to the next level. To ramp up the intensity of your HIIT circuit, incorporate dynamic exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and high knees. These full-body movements engage multiple muscle groups, increase your heart rate, and maximize calorie burn. You can push your limits and achieve a well-rounded workout by challenging your body with various exercises. Perform each exercise at maximum effort for a set duration, typically 20 to 60 seconds, followed by 10 to 30 seconds of rest. This interval structure allows you to work at a high-intensity level, push your limits, and recover briefly before tackling the next exercise. The combination of intense effort and brief recovery periods keeps your body guessing and maximizes the effectiveness of your workout. To fully reap the benefits of HIIT, repeat the circuit multiple times to challenge your endurance and build strength. Aim to complete 3 to 5 rounds of the circuit, gradually increasing the intensity or duration of the exercises as you progress. By pushing yourself to the limit and embracing the challenge, you can boost your fitness levels, burn calories, and experience the exhilarating effects of HIIT training. So, lace up your sneakers, get ready to sweat, and dive into a heart-pumping HIIT circuit that will leave you feeling energized, empowered, and one step closer to your fitness goals. As you near the end of your Yoga and HIIT Fusion workout, you must conclude with a cool-down session to lower your heart rate, promote muscle recovery, and prevent post-workout soreness. Cooling down properly can help your body transition from intense exercise to rest. Here's how you can wrap up your workout with a soothing cool-down and stretching routine. Include stretches for major muscle groups such as the hamstrings, quadriceps, and shoulders to release tension and improve flexibility. Focus on holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, allowing your muscles to lengthen and relax. By targeting key muscle groups, you can alleviate tightness, reduce the risk of injury, and enhance your overall range of motion. During your cool-down and stretching session, focus on relaxation and deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths as you move through each stretch, allowing your body to unwind and release any remaining tension. Mindful breathing can help calm your nervous system, promote circulation, and support recovery after a challenging workout. Allow ample time for your body to gradually return to a resting state by moving through gentle stretches and focusing on relaxation. Avoid sudden stops or abrupt movements. Ease your body into calmness and tranquility. Embrace this opportunity to unwind, reflect on your workout, and appreciate your effort to prioritize your health and well-being. Incorporating a cool-down and stretching routine into your workout can help your body recover effectively, reduce muscle soreness, and set the stage for future success in your fitness journey. So, take a moment to stretch, breathe, and honor your body for all its hard work. You deserve it. Nutrition tips. After completing your invigorating Yoga and HIIT Fusion workout, it's essential to refuel your body with the proper nutrients to support optimal recovery and replenish your energy stores. Post-workout nutrition is crucial in helping your muscles repair, rebuild, and restore glycogen levels for future workouts. Here are some essential nutrition tips to guide you in making intelligent choices for post-workout fuel. Recommend consuming a balance of protein and carbohydrates within 30 minutes of your workout. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates help replenish glycogen stores and provide energy. Aim for a ratio of approximately 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 carbohydrates to protein to support recovery and maximize the benefits of your workout. Hydrate adequately with water or electrolyte-rich beverages to replace fluids lost during exercise and support proper hydration. Sweating during your workout can lead to fluid loss, so it's essential to replenish your body's water and electrolyte levels to maintain optimal performance and prevent dehydration. Keep a water bottle handy and sip fluids throughout the day to stay hydrated. Include whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins in your post-workout meals to provide your body with essential nutrients and support overall health. Opt for nutrient-dense foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to help reduce inflammation, boost recovery, and enhance your immune system. Following these nutrition tips and making mindful choices about your post-workout fuel can optimize your recovery, replenish your energy levels, and support your fitness goals. We value your feedback and would love to hear about your experience with the workout. In the comments below, share your thoughts, progress, and questions. Your engagement and participation inspire us to create more content tailored to your fitness needs and goals. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family on a journey to improve their health and fitness. By spreading the word and supporting our community, you contribute to a positive and empowering environment where we can all thrive together. Thank you for joining us in this fitness fusion adventure. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier, stronger you is in the right direction. Keep moving, stay motivated, and embrace the joy of a fit and active lifestyle. See you in the next workout session.